What's up, guys? We back with another one. Welcome back to my channel. Today we got a crew cab GMC Sierra. I believe it's a 1415 maybe. I'm not too sure. All the way from Hobbs, New Mexico, in for a panoramic sunroof install. We're gonna do a black suede and a Cadillac CTS panoramic. Let's check out the truck. We got a red crew cab. It's like my truck. This one's a little lowered. All the way in from Hobbs, New Mexico. In for that panoramic install. So we're gonna start by removing everything on the headliner. We'll clean it up a little bit on the inside. All right, guys, we got the inside headliner out. We got our center line on top. We're gonna go ahead and mark it off with our top skin, and then we'll cut it out. All right, guys, we got the bracket installed. You can see there, got it braced up. I'm gonna go ahead and tack weld it on top, and then start the fiberglass and bodywork on top. All right, guys, we got the panoramic installed, powered up, bodywork's done. All we're working on now is the headliner. Check it out. And we do have bracing in the back on both sides here and both sides over here. Total of 5 bracings just to keep it solid and from moving. Check it out. Looks good. Alright, guys, check it out. Final product.